And we're back. This time I'm going to show you how to create the impossible circle in Illustrator. Let's start with the ellipse tool. Hold shift to create a perfect circle, then press Ctrl C to copy and Ctrl F to paste in front. Hold shift and Alt to resize the second one. I'll give it a red fill color so that you can see that we've got two. Select it all, open your Pathfinder menu and click on minus front. So this is what we need. I'll align it properly. Then I press Ctrl Y to get to the outline mode. I hold Alt and drag a copy out of it and drag it to the first intersection. Make sure your smart guides are activated and you've got only snap to point activated. Maybe you have to deactivate snap to pixel. Let me zoom in and you can see that these lines are perfectly on top of each other. What we need to add is a little rectangle on top and at the bottom, so use the rectangle tool. And then drag it from left to right, just like this. The lines, they need to be perfectly set up. That's not the case here on this side, so simply select it and drag it to the right. Maybe this position is better. We need to add another rectangle at the bottom, same procedure. I'll use the rectangle tool, down the path, the smart guides help me with that, and then I drag from left to right. And then I check if they are properly placed. I zoom in holding Alt using the mouse wheel. And that looks fine. I select it all and now I use the shape builder tool and I connect the shapes that we need. And first these two, the two small ones at the bottom, we need them as well. Now we need to connect these. That's fine. Second one, at first we'll need these two smaller ones connected to the bigger one, these two big ones and two smaller ones on top, and these big ones. Now we only need to connect these on top, and this is everything we need. So we only have two shapes now. I press Ctrl Y to get out of the outline mode. I select the right shape and make it red, and you can see what we have. This is already the impossible circle, and you can resize that. Maybe like this, no problem at all. I'll undo that, Ctrl Z, 2 times, and now I'll add a gradient. I use the gradient tool, go to window and open the gradient menu. I'll click on this little icon. Let me add the default black and white, for example. It already looks fine. Well, let me try the sky one. I think that looks even better. Select only the left side, click on the gradient tool, and we can adjust the gradient and rotate it a little bit. For the right side, we do the same thing. And this looks good. And this is the impossible circle we created in Adobe Illustrator. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.